대학 불탄다. 네, 이제 방종하려고요.
Look, it's her. Amicia! So you succeeded?
Here. Have to warn you. Smells a bit burnt.
Who's he?
Roderick. But shh.
The Sanguinis Itinera. What is this book about?
It's the story of a little boy who's going to get a lot better now.
Right, I'm starving. Anyone else?
Me?
Come and eat then. I think we deserve it.
우린 그럴 자격 있어.
You too. Coming.
범생이야. 삼 주 후? 그렇게 해서 3주? 벌써 겨울이네.
Oh, no, no! Bloody hell! That's no good.
Hey, are you alright?
It's nothing. Tell me, this door, have you ever opened it before?
It's stuck. It's the only place in the chateau we haven't been yet.
Don't you want to see what's behind it?
Well, Hugo is asleep.
자고 있으니 뭐
Let's go take a look.
가자는
This,
거지.
at least, I know how to do. There you go.
Well, that was efficient.
And almost painless. Come on, let's go. Whoa. Can you feel that?
No, what?
When you enter a place that has been abandoned for a very long time, there's something in the air.
Yes, dust.
No, the stones. It's like interrupting a conversation. This is the first time I felt it here.
다른 재료들도 같이 들어가는데
That looks dangerous. Let's avoid it for now. Another
뭐하니?
door. Shall we continue?
안 들어가?
Of course.
Let's see where this leads us. Oh,
앞으로 걸으라고 앞으로.
It's a shortcut.
못 만드네.
oh, hey, I almost forgot. I found something while I was doing some clearing earlier. Come take a look.
Another story about stones?
Actually, you're not far off.
라그님 어서 오세요. 이거 또 해야 돼? 아, 네.
Come and see this. You'll like it.
I'm coming. A fresco. It's strangely familiar.
It includes the symbols of the pillars. This castle has things to tell us, huh?
And what is it telling us then?
Even I don't understand everything. I just think we'll be fine here.
Amicia! Come quickly! It's Hugo!
휴고가 왜 또?
I'm coming!
Need me?
I'll call you. Come on! Come on!
아, 뭐해?
I'm here, Lucas! Quickly! Hugo, please.
It's getting worse and worse.
The macula is progressing too fast.
I realize that, Amicia. I'm doing my best. I mean, I'm trying to do what the book says, but it's going to take too long. I need a proper laboratory.
Like Laurentius had?
No, one with better equipment.
Well, perhaps my mother at my home.
She must have had some equipment there. You're right. It's worth a try.
어떡해.
Amicia! Lucas! I believe your twins are back.
Melly! You found him!
More dead than alive. But yes.
Amicia, we came because, well,
Yes.
Arthur, you tell her.
After our little adventure with your heretic burning friends, I ended up in an Inquisition cell. One day I saw the guards accompany a prisoner who looked the worse for wear. Those bastards wanted her to tell them where her son was, so they threatened her. And I heard her name. Beatrice Storum.
Mother is alive? She's alive? You managed to get Arthur out? It wasn't simple. Believe me. So you could...
Forget it. I was nothing. She's too important to the Grand Inquisitor.
아,
He, questions her a lot.
They... torture her? Hugo mustn't know anything of this.
Even that she's alive? It might help him.
And what will we say when he wants to see her? Tell him nothing, all right? Oh no! Hugo!
들어버렸어.
The next threshold. It's coming.
We have to go at once! To my home! Now! You go. We'll stay here with him. It will be all right, my little brother. I swear. This time we will heal you.
All right. I'll get the Sanguinis Itinera and some potions, and then we'll leave.
남아있는 것. 근데 동생이 다 들어버렸는데. 밤이야 또?
We're here.
Amicia, you going to be all right?
Yes. It's just... strange to be back. Let's go. I never thought I'd come back here. Not so soon.
We find the potions and we leave.
휴거의 숙소에서
We might
약을
even get home
찾으십시오.
before sunrise.
Fine by me.
We can't cross there.
That bridge was at least a century old. Everything looks completely destroyed.
It's the end of the old world.
If that's true, how come you're so calm? Look, the standard of the Inquisition.
Are they still there?
Let's be careful. Don't fall. Don't fall.
떨어지지 말라고.
What the hell is
뭐야?
that? Look out, Lucas.
What's the matter with them?
I don't know, but I don't like it. Let's get out of here.
They're not even paying attention to us.
한 자리에서 빙빙 도는데?
Lucas, we'll deal with that later. Come on. Oh, there are so many of them. When Hugo and I ran away, I remember something attacked the gods. I think it's thanks to the rats that we were able to escape that day.
I see.
쥐떼 덕분이었다고?
This must be one of the first places they came from. But it doesn't explain their behavior.
They're not welcome here. I'll show them.
아, 밀지 마야.
This is my home. Do you hear me? My home.
우리 집이라고.
More rats.
The domain is straight ahead.
door. Closed. There's a chain on the other side. Wait, the lantern. They must have used it to get their troops through.
Good idea. I'll have a clear shot.
You can go back down. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm there.
Here we go. You can move.
Keep it on me.
아,
right?
가는 대로 그냥 밀어주는구나. 제가 움직이는 대로 내가 움직여야 되는 줄.
That system works really well.
I'm ready.
Don't forget me.
저거를 열어줘야 될 것 같은데?
Thank you.
Lucas, we're not alone.
Oh.
A guard.
He's still alive.
Someone, help me. The rats.
You, tell me, how many of you are there?
Oh, it hurts. I don't want to die. Not like this.
Like this? You executed my family. You deserve a painful death.
Please, have mercy.
Don't you ever use that word. I'm not going to get anything useful out of him.
어떻게 가지?
Who the hell are you?
The daughter of Robert and Beatrice de Roux.
Oh, no. Please. Please have mercy.
Shut up. I'm leaving you to your fate.
이걸 써야겠다. 절로 가! 죽어. 가주? 이걸 못 먹네? 가죽을 못 가져가네? 아. 기구.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
아니, 가죽을 쓴 게 아니야? 아니, 저거. 이게 안 되네? 됐다.
It wasn't dangerous.
We're here. Lucas, behind this door.
I understand. I'm with you.
Let's go.
Oh,
먹이로
my
주고.
God. Is this real?
My
home.
Is that a body over there?
No. No, please.
Amicia, we can stop. Find another way.
No. I have to see.
아빠야? 아빠인데
Is he your father?
와, 집 안에서.
What are they doing?
뭐야, 뭐 하는 거야?
Hell is that? Lucas! I have no idea. Push them back! The Ignifer! Who right, who right? There are more of them! Lucas, what do we do? We're trapped! Keep firing! We have to rush shelter! Where do you suggest we go? They're everywhere! You prefer to stay here? I won't last long like that! Enough! Stop!
어,
Is it over?
저 뭐야?
I think so. You saved our lives.
아까 여기 코앞까지 왔는데.
We need to get to the chamber. It's that window up there.
You should take the torch.
주세요. 뭐야?
Don't worry. I'll lead the way.
Thank you.
이거 먹고. 근데 저렇게 되면 아빠 시체도 못 건지는 거 아닌가?
Amicia, that body with no armor.
It's one of our servants, but his body.
Yes, the guards were eaten alive. He wasn't.
Why? There must be a reason.
If only I knew. The Great Break. Its aftershocks continue to ripple through time.
Her too.
Yes, they're avoiding them.
What on earth is going on here? Here we are. It's up there. Climb up. I'll help
가자.
you.
Yes, of course.
여기 쥐 없나? 있는데?
Whoa, look out.
뭐야?
They're all converging here.
They're going towards his room. The potions for Hugo must be in there. Lucas, those pots?
Simple infusions. Not strong enough.
There must be others.
비켜봐.
So,
여긴데.
this is it.
Yes.
됐다. 추루마키마키님
There,
어서
there are
오세요.
Everything's like it was before.
No, that's not it. Neither's this. No,
Lucas.
or this.
Why hasn't his room been
No,
touched?
no, it's not here.
그러니까 이 방만 멀쩡해.
Still no luck.
No, these are normal
친동생이
standard
아닌데
potions.
누구보다
Your
친동생
mother
같아
must have been
보이는 그.
working on a more complex elixir. There has to be something else. Another place, another
Not
room.
that I
You
know
can't
of.
just make an opus magnum like that. She must have a laboratory somewhere.
I don't know. I don't see where.
Laurentius, he built his laboratory away from prying eyes. So your mother must have also.
She told me nothing. I never
But
saw
that's
her.
it. Isn't there a place where she didn't want you to go? I don't know. Some
Well-
place she protected.
The old Roman ruins. She didn't want me to go
The
there.
Roman ruins. Yes, definitely an idea from an alchemist. Exactly where are they?
The garden. Let's go.
정원? 근데 진짜 왜 이 방만 못 들어오는 걸까, 쟤들이? 이리로 나가야겠다.
Gone? No, they're
아니?
regrouping.
가는데?
I mean, you guys, do not stay here. To the right. Come on. Yes, yes, I'm coming. There are more.
I'll light the room. You deal with the rats. I'm open the way, Amicia. We need to go.
일로 가야 되나 보다. 조심조심.
That was close.
Get a move on. They might come back.
I'm scared out of my skin, Amicia.
I'm here with you, but we have to keep moving. Good Lord, it's even worse than I thought. Everything is dead.
Where are the baths?
Over there, at the other end.
We have to get through that. But how?
I know.
아,
We'll get there.
좀 비켜봐봐요.
A flower,
꽃은 무사하네.
intact.
A cinquefoil, I think.
Hugo wouldn't have wanted us to leave it here. Off we go. Get ready to run.
Ready.
가자.
Come on, go!
뭐냐?
Come on, come on! Don't miss! Thanks for the help! It's all right.
I don't believe it. Look at them. Like a river. A river of rats.
It's the only way to get to the bath.
Wait, the cart. We can relight the fire and push it in.
No, I'll light it and you push it.
What? All by myself?
You saw what
혼자
happened
하라고.
earlier. You think they're just going to let us pass like that?
All right. All right. Get your ammunition ready, because we haven't done all this for nothing.
Come on, Lucas, let's go.
Woobly woobly.
어떻게든 되겠지.
Breathe. It's really heavy.
Come on, make an effort.
An effort.
난 평생 지하실에서 보냈.
In a cellar. The ground is vibrating. Do you feel it?
Yes, yes, they're coming.
Don't let them get near.
Listen, if you want to take my skin,
I get it. They're regrouping.
I'll handle it.
또 뭐야 어디야? 아는 동네 동생.
You are not going to die, Lucas. Nobody dies before we reach those baths.
It's as if it was decided that ever since we met, our lives have been governed by chaos.
But I'm the one with the sling, so calm down and push.
I'm doing just that.
어디야?
Move back. Quickly.
That's enough. You will not stop us. How are you doing?
My legs, they hurt.
We're getting close. Keep going.
I'm doing everything I can.
최선을 다하고 있대.
The light over there. The bath. We're nearly there, Lucas.
I think, Amicia, I've been thinking. I think Ned,
엄청 힘들어하네.
What, Lucas?
all the attacks.
Now's not a good time.
It's because we're
On the right track, yes, but we still need to survive until
다 왔어.
We made it, Lucas. We made it.
최선의 의미 없어. 더 팍팍 밀어.
Thank you, Lucas. You see, you're pretty tough.
yes, but I don't.
걷지를 못하게.
I'll never walk again.
Oh, come on. I don't know what my mother hid under there, but you don't want to miss it, do you?
Oh no. Come on. Let's go.
Lucas, this is it. This is where I saw my mother die.
But Arthur said she is still alive, didn't he?
Yes. But this is poor Lambert. He must have taken the hit instead of her. She is still alive.
엄마를 대신해서 죽었구나.
But they...
I know. Think of your brother. We have to carry on.
아이 좀 비켜봐. 이거 어떻게 지나가? 어쩌라고? 어? 네가 거기 서 있으면 나더러 어쩌라고? 어? 안 되는데? 비켜! 비키라! 야, 안 비켜? 아, 일로 가는 거구나.
These stairs. It takes me back to my childhood.
Well, that's good. Because we're going to need your memories from back then.
My mother never wanted me to come down here. She said it was dangerous.
Dangerous.
위험하다고 못 오게 했구나.
You never found anything.
No, and I was really good at searching.
There are two of us this time. And you're not a child anymore. We'll find it.
Let's push this.
Very well.
잠깐. 이거 그냥 열면 안 되죠. 열면은 죽을 것 같은데?
Let me push.
All right.
빨리 안 와?
Rats, Amicia. If you block them on the other side of the light, you'll be free to continue.
한글님 어서 오세요. 루카스가 이 좁아 터져가지고 미리 만들어놔?
So this is the Sudatorium. The Romans came here to sweat.
With the steam. Yes. It was... Oh, look! The sculptures!
What?
Alchemical animals, putrefaction, purification, amalgamation, and sublimation. The symbol in the basin represents putrefaction as well.
These symbols used to fascinate me. There are more in the other two basins.
3 symbols, 4 sculptures. There's a fire under that one.
So we can probably light the others too.
There must be a way to get to them.
그래서 어떡하라고? 지도 다 태워버리기로 하신 건가요? 다른 불안 붙은 데로 가서 불 안 붙은데?
There, near the symbol. The slabs have caved in. I think you can get past.
I'll go down. Stay here.
All right.
근데 뭐야 이건?
Lucas, another fresco. A pregnant woman.
But that's
임산부?
not all. Look, next to her.
It's some sort of alembic, right? She's an alchemist?
Exactly. Alchemy has often been compared to impregnation, and the crucible or kiln to the uterus.
Or maybe she's just a pregnant alchemist.
Not just. This temple is your mother's. And it's not just a coincidence that this is a woman. It's an important place.
You're probably right.
이런 게 있는데 이거 막 눌러도 되는 건가? 잠깐 이렇게 불은 다 있는데? 그러니까요. 그냥 다 눌러보고 죽으면 되나? 여기도 있거든요? 근데 얜 개구리 같아. 루카스 왼쪽? 야, 힌트 없냐? 여기 구멍이 있는데? 저거 누르...
Great!
Hey, what does it look like down there?
A nest! They're all around me, and I can't see a thing. Right, let's go.
I'll try to guide you.
And how do you intend to do that?
The light. I'll wait close to the basin. Good luck. You're not far from a symbol.
All right, I'll carry on.
와, 불.
Can you see anything?
The symbol has appeared. It's sublimation. There's still one more symbol to light up. You're getting near the other symbol. Keep going.
Going as fast as I can.
여기?
Purification. All basins are lit. You can come back now.
I have to get out of here.
You're nearly there now.
Thank you,
야,
Lucas.
아닌데?
Keep talking to me.
I don't know what to say. I never thought you would make it this far.
저기 템 있거든요?
Laurentius told me about the world through books.
But reality is something else entirely, huh?
That's the worst of it. None of this seems to be
못
real
먹네.
at all.
그러면 길이 저쪽인데 파밍은 중요하다. 어? 다 붙인 건가? 되돌아온 거 같은데? 이리 올라가면 되는 거 아니야?
Decomposition, purification, and sublimation. Toad,
Yeah.
swan, and serpent.
요 예비.
So our friend is hiding a secret.
어? 아, 저걸 하면 얘가 알려주나 봐. 그럼 얘인 거지?
Smells, perhaps. Help us, Mother.
Go on.
아, 돌아오라고
You
했어요?
discovered her secret, Amicia. You've earned this.
통로가 있네? 왜 이렇게 어두워? 저 뭐야?
It's pitch black in here. It seems huge.
Save your ammo. I'll take care of it. There you go.
붙여주는?
So, what do you see?
Complementary products, stabilizers, reagents, noble materials.
야, 또 붙여줄
Vastly
거야?
superior to what we saw in the bedroom. This is it, Amicia.
Good. Good.
만들어.
Amicia, these notes are handwritten by our mother. Tried a new transformation, but the elixir is incomplete.
미완성.
Torch of the carrier disappears, leaving my son in the darkness of the macula. She was on the right track, Amicia. What we're looking for is definitely here somewhere.
Yeah, but where? What does it look like?
Over there. It looks like there's something. Another fresco.
A child in the arms of its mother. But these marks on its torso, Lucas.
The prima macula.
But this fresco is at least 8 centuries old.
And yet this has happened before.
But how many times?
Who knows? Sanguinis itinera. The voyages of the blood.
동생한테 있는 거랑
Through
같아.
history. It's already changed the world and will do so again. This box has a phoenix on it. The symbol of the great alchemical work. Amicia, I think we found it. Open it.
All right.
뭘 열어보라고? 아, 이거?
Lucas, look.
Advanced crystallization. Blue-green edging. Substance clear.
이거 먹어야 되는 거라고요?
What? Lucas,
Amber fragrance. Amazing.
spit it out. What on earth is
The
it?
cure for Hugo. She was making progress, but she didn't have time to finish it.
You mean the same cure that you...
Yes, without the book. It's incredible she was able to get this so
책도
far.
없이 저 정도 만든 거야? 미완성?
So perhaps we can use it ourselves.
With the book and my preparation,
아직까지는.
I think I may be able to finish it.
You seem off to a good start, Magister. Why didn't she tell me? I would have understood. I would have...
Ow! I would have done the same thing, Amicia. She was an alchemist, and, you know, her mother protects her children, doesn't she?
지다.
No, no, not now. How are we going to get out of here?
Forget it. Just finish the cure. I'll hold them back. I don't believe it. Why now? Lucas, we have to get a move on.
I'm reading. Your mother stopped the sun door. She found a torch, but she didn't know how to light it.
It doesn't make sense.
They're symbols. She was looking for the missing element, but the book says you must empty the vessel for the spirit to fill
비워야
it.
한다고?
Your mother was mistaken. We must not add, but subtract. Find me some macerate while I prepare the mix. There has to be some around here.
Macerate? What's that? Where will I find it?
In the pharmacopoeia. The alcove with the curtain.
On my way.
Quiet them
커튼?
down. Laurentius used to say, calm the beating of your heart, for it is
방금
the wish of the
만들던 거
heart
깨버린 것
that
같다고요?
express. So calm yourself.
아, 여기 천막. 아이,
The curtain.
커튼.
It's there. There are too many. There are too many
없는데?
pots, Lucas. I don't know which ones are which.
Find the one that really stinks.
Everything stinks. I'm not
냄새가
pepper,
지독한 거?
mint, No, there must be worse than that. That doesn't smell good. But it doesn't smell that bad. What's that? No idea. It doesn't smell of anything. Oh, oh Lord.
이거구나.
That is absolute. Oh. Look, they're coming back. They're regrouping. Keep going. We're nearly there. I'm coming. Put it there.
Right. Let's awaken this phoenix. Gently. Stop shaking. No time to waste any of it.
They're coming back.
Slight alteration in you. Good, but not enough.
You said you had to filter something out. So why are you still adding things?
You have to add in order to subtract. The bridge here, Amicia! You have to clear a way to the stills for me.
All right, then.
Amicia,
Let's get to
they
those
don't
stills.
distinguish the bridge here.
Oh no, they don't. Lucas, watch out!
아, 알아서 해주네. 어디까지 가는 건데?
Going on. But they won't change the course of history.
Time
그거야?
to get back to work. Lucas, don't do anything stupid.
I know what I'm doing. I think so. At least, at any rate, there's no going back.
Just be careful.
So, look about this. Look at the ball.
아, 그만 좀 와.
Come on. Truth will flow out of the mouth. Come on. Give me your purest alcohol. Voila! The door of the sun.
중력이?
The flame of the carrier. Demetia, take me back.
Right away.
가자. 여기 아니야? 뭐야, 뭐야.
I don't know what you're doing.
와이맨님, 포스팅 감사합니다. 뭐야, 뭐야.
Bring it to life.
난민 여러분들 어서오세요.
I'm nearly there. Lucas, I need
나나나나.
some time. They're coming from everywhere. I know.
Lucas, I have nothing left.
방송 수고하셨습니다.
What? What's happening?
왜 갑자기 조용해졌어?
I've done it, and it looks like they know.
Well, let's not hang about.
Then please, after you.
나나나 어서오세요. 와이맨님.
Lucas, you did it.
We did it.
와, 쥐들이
Laurentius
가만히
would be
있네.
proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. At least we know for certain now. If the elixir is linked to the rats, that means there's a link to the carrier.
와,
Yes, but first things
303일.
first. We have to save Hugo.